Hey there, photography enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the latest tech gear. Today, we're diving into the world of lenses, specifically the Altura Photo 52mm 0.43x Professional HD Wide-Angle Lens. Now, if you're a Nikon D3300 user or any other compatible DSLR camera owner, you're in for a treat. This lens right here is touted as one of the best companions for your Nikon D3300, and for good reason. First things first, let's talk about compatibility. This lens is designed to seamlessly fit onto your Nikon D3300, as well as a range of other Nikon DSLR cameras, including the D3200, D3100, and more. Now, what sets this lens apart is its ability to capture breathtaking wide-angle shots. With a 0.43x magnification, you can expand your field of view and capture more of the scene in stunning detail. But wait, there's more. This lens also comes with a detachable macro portion, allowing you to get up close and personal with your subjects. Whether you're shooting landscapes or tiny intricate details, this lens has you covered. Build-wise, the Altura Photo 52mm lens feels solid and well-made. It screws on easily to the front of your camera lens, and the detachable macro portion adds versatility to your shooting arsenal. And here's the cherry on top. Altura Photo stands behind their product with a 90-day satisfaction guarantee. So, if you're not completely happy with your purchase, you can rest assured knowing that you're covered. So, there you have it, folks. The Altura Photo 52mm 0.43x Professional HD Wide-Angle Lens, the best companion for your Nikon D3300. And a must-have for any photography enthusiast. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy shooting!